Okay, now we will do the same for the deviations of percentages. In the first step, we will create the formula for the deviation, and we use sum, then cell C9 divided with cell D9 minus 1, and we will multiplicate by 100. And now we've got 20%. We'll copy this formula down here, and then we will just copy this formula from here to here. And for the percentage, I recommend you that you use a point instead of a bar chart. So we click here on Insert, then on the button Symbols, and then Symbol. We will choose here Font Arial and the character code 25CF. So we have a point here, and we click on the button Insert and close the window. So we have here the point, and we will copy the point right down. Then we will use another factor, in this case 0.15. Use the key F4 for the dollar symbols, and we will copy it all down. And we use the same format like here. So, and then we just copy the formula from the bar chart to the percentage chart. And we will copy it down. Then we will unhide the columns right here and here. One more time. So, and now if we change our values, just for example here from Chicago from 1150 to 750, you will see the change here for the values and here the percentage values. That's it.